Hello everyone. So I am making this video to keep a proof that Amazon delivered a right product, a correct product that I order in Amazon, because sometimes Amazon delivered, not actually Amazon just seller delivered a wrong product. This video keep as a proof. So I will upload it on YouTube, then everybody can understand that I have already ordered this converter DP to HDMI. This is the bill, rupees 499. You can see the bill, 499. ClickTech Retail Private Limited. This is the bill, and the product is inside. Yellowcult. Yes, yellow. There's a cat. And what is inside the box? Nothing is inside the box. So inside the box, what is inside the box? Two pack. This is inside the pack, and one is outside without any pack. So this is HDMI male, sorry, this is a DP male, and this is female. So this is not correct product. If I open this one, because this is the main problem. Yes, it attach from here, but this one not attached. Yes, it is attached, but very tightly. This is DP. If it is good, then okay. Then I want to try it on the CPU device. So I have Amazon delivered a right product. So now I want to attach it on. This is monitor, and I want to attach it, and you can attach it this DP port on laptop or in CPU.